The spirit of entrepreneurship has no age limit, nor the success for that matter. Anyone, regardless of age, can start their own small business. If you are a teen, you probably realize that most of the stuff you want in life requires money. There are a plethora of opportunities available to you. Whether you are a parent seeking a way to assist your child or a young person hoping to get a head start on your efforts to make money, and either way, you have choices. Modern children and teenagers have access to a wide range of tools. This opens up a whole new universe of possibilities for younger generations that previous generations did not have. The days of needing to set up a lemonade stand on the street or selling candy are long gone. Making money online in your leisure time is now possible. The ability to earn money while you are still a teen is a priceless asset that will serve you well throughout your life. It teaches you the worth of putting in a long day's effort. It also means that you no longer have to ask your mom for extra money in order to buy that gaming console you have always wanted. Hi, and welcome back to Fascinating Self. In today's episode, we will teach you smart ways to make money as a teenager. You might end up becoming a future Elon Musk if you capitalize on that skill you have been ignoring. That is why we track 12 awesome gigs for teens that will make you some extra cash. Grab a bowl of popcorn, get comfortable, and let us inform you. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Create a YouTube channel. In the previous few years, YouTube has become so popular that many teenagers fantasize about one day being a YouTube sensation. Similar to blogging, if you have enough subscribers to your channel, you can easily generate money from your videos. You can earn some extra money by simply sharing your interests with others. A dedicated niche community can be formed for anyone who has a particular interest in toys, movies, or video games. Dozens of young people throughout the world, with the support of their parents, are making hundreds or even millions of dollars a year on YouTube alone. Be sure to try this out and you may end up becoming the next teen YouTube sensation. Number 2. Babysitting. Good old-fashioned babysitting has to be on the list. Cause why not? We cannot dismiss this old gem as it is one of the best ways to make money as a teen. Parents are typically very busy, and when they get home from work, the majority of them do not want to check on their children to make sure that they have finished their schoolwork and tidied up their rooms. So that is where you come in, to take things off the plate of these weary parents. Make no mistake about it, they have to pay you handsomely for this convenience you have accorded them. Many parents are willing to hire a babysitter to watch their children when they are away. Care.com and SitterCity.com are both great options for you, or if you have any friends or family members that could babysit. Number 3. Complete small tasks online. Do you spend a lot of time online looking for information or playing games? If this is you, using a site like Swagbox or Tapestry to make money online in your spare time is a fantastic option. With Swagbox, you may earn money by doing micro-tasks. Ad watching and app testing are two easy examples of such duties. When you do small tasks, you are given points, which may be converted for cash. You may exchange your points for gift cards to well-known retailers like Starbucks and Old Navy. However, PayPal currency is generally the best way to redeem points. Doing jobs online is a great method to make money without leaving your house and a great way to supplement your family's income. Hey fascinating people! If you like this video, hit the like button and comment I subscribe so that everyone can see who's the most fascinating action taker here. Number 4. Online surveys. Are you becoming bored when you are online? Then you have not come across any money-making online surveys. Paid surveys are a great alternative for teenagers looking for fast ways to generate money. You can profit from companies' desire to know what customers think about their products and services. Survey Junkie tops our list of the best survey businesses. More than 6 million people are registered with the site, which has one of the lowest minimum redemptions at $10. Most surveys have a minimum payout of $1. Earnings can be exchanged for gift cards or sent to your PayPal account. Survey Junkie accepts members that are 13 years old or older. You should try this one out. Number 5. Deliver meals in your hood. That bike you have had in your cellar for a long time is ready to join you on your journey to financial independence. How, you may ask? Well, because summer is a great time to work as a meal delivery rider. You can even do this as a side job all year long if you work during your free time after school. Delivery drivers love DoorDash, an app that allows them to pick up and deliver food from local eateries to customers. You can choose your own hours and can work from anywhere. If you have a car or a scooter, you will have an easier time going far from your hood. In addition to the minimum payment of $2 for each order, DoorDash allows you to keep all of your tips. Working for delivery service can be a great way to make money this year. Drivers can earn $23 an hour. Number 6. Dog walking or pet sitting. Spending time with pets is a wonderful way to generate money as a teenager. With just a few basic skills, you may start a pet sitting business in your neighborhood or city. You can choose from the following pet care services: dog walking, house sitting pets, grooming and washing pets, drop-in visits to feed pets, boarding pets in your home. The best strategy to get a job is to have your parents post a job ad for you on Facebook Marketplace or Nextdoor. You can join Rover if you are at least 18 years old. Clients looking for help with their pets can find you on Rover. According to the company, you can make up to $1,000 every month by using their service. During the summer, you can make a lot of money while having a great time. Number 7. Freelancing. Freelancing on sites like Upwork and Fiverr is something that even young people may use to earn some extra money on the site. Freelancing is a legitimate option for young people to earn money if they have a skill. With the following abilities, teenagers might easily find work online: data entry, illustration, management of social media platforms, coding, and graphics design. Moreover, to get gigs, teenagers can request their parents to post an ad for them on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. Fiverr is a good place to find work. The minimum age to utilize the service is 13 years old. Add-ons are where the real money is, and all gigs start at $5. You can also make $100 on Upwork per week. Number 8. Sell crafts online. If you have a knack for making crafts, you may turn your hobby into a source of income by selling handcrafted goods online. There are a lot of people who adore the concept of having handicrafts scattered about their houses, but who either lack the ability or the time to actually create the pieces themselves. You can ask a parent to set up an Etsy account or an Amazon store for you if you do not feel comfortable doing so yourself. You can list your creations for a reasonable fee on either platform after you have posted them there. Aside from that, selling crafts as a method to earn money from the comfort of one's own home is an enjoyable activity. Number 9. Start a podcast. Creating a podcast is one way that you can make money online if you have the natural charisma, but you are camera shy. If you can bring in sponsors and get paid to play their advertisements on your podcast, then you have a potential source of income from your podcast. You might also refer those who are listening to your podcast to your blog, your YouTube channel, or your Etsy shop, for example. On what subject should you focus your conversation? Everything that piques your interest is probably going to pique the interest of other teenagers as well. You might talk about sports, games, dating advice, things you do with your family, how you are preparing for college, or even how kids can make extra money by starting their own businesses. Number 10. Blogging. If you are someone who enjoys writing, another method by which you might be able to make money online is by putting together a blog. Allowing advertisements to appear on your blog, much like podcasts, is one method to bring in some extra income. Another method is to encourage people to buy things from a variety of online retailers by providing them with affiliate links. If one of your readers makes a purchase after clicking your link, you will be entitled to a commission on that transaction. One of our preferred approaches to making money online is through the use of monetized blogs. Blogs can be monetized in a variety of ways, including by displaying advertisements, promoting affiliate goods, or even selling the author's own merchandise. Number 11. Social media management. If you are ready to start earning money online, the odds are high that you have already mastered the internet and its various social media platforms. Despite the fact that you are probably not ready to become a full-fledged marketer, you may have a good grasp of social media management. It is possible that you could be hired to manage a company's accounts if you could polish up your professionalism. Keep your ears open for new opportunities because this is a type of job that requires persistence. You can be paid $5 to put up a single post. Imagine being paid to post on your favorite social media site. If you ask me, making money has never been easier. Number 12, tutoring. The sky is the limit when it comes to what you can teach and what you excel at online. If you are a keen student, you can make money online as a teen by teaching other teens or younger children. Meeting in person is not necessary. You can sell your skills via FaceTime or Skype. You may be able to help students in need by contacting your school's guidance counselor or signing up for tutoring services on a website that accepts teenagers. Enroll in a company that hires teenagers that are at least 15 years old. Teaching English to non-native speakers is possible on SameSpeak for those who are at least 16 years old and have English as their first language. So folks, this is the end of the video. Let us know in the comments if you want us to make more videos like this. Don't forget to like and share this video if you like it. See you in the next video.